Hey guys, DT Rockstar 1 here. That was at the annual Eyes on Design car show. It takes place every year at the Edsel Ford Estate. And what we were seeing there was a real piece of history because that was known as the first concept car, the 1938 Buick Y-Job. And that was designed by Harley Earl, who was the head of GM design at the time, and he daily drove that for a while. So it's very special to see that car come to life and driving around. Thank you very much for watching. There's more concept cars to come, so stay tuned.